Hey, how are you? In this video, we will be explain the trailer of Minions: The Rise of Gru. Minions: The Rise of Gru is a 2022 American computer animated comedy film produced by Illumination and distributed by Universal Pictures. It is the sequel to the spin-off prequel Minions 2015 and the fifth entry overall in the Despicable Me franchise, directed by Kyle Balda with Brad Abelson and Jonathan Del Valle as co-directors. The film sees the return of Steve Carell as Gru, the Pierre Coffin as the Minions, along with Tara G.P. Henson, Michelle Yeoh, RZA, Jean-Claude Van Damme, Lucy Lawless, Dolph Lundgren, Danny Trejo, Russell Brand, Julie Andrews, and Alan Arkin. Minions: The Rise of Gru, directed by Kyle Balda, screenplay by Matthew Fogel, story by Brian Lynch, Matthew Fogel, produced by Chris Maledandri, Janet Haley, Chris Renaud, starring Steve Carell, Pierre Coffin, Tara G.P. Henson, Michelle Yeoh, Russell Brand, Julie Andrews, Alan Arkin. Production company Illumination, distributed by Universal Pictures. Release dates June 13, 2022 NEC, July 1, 2022 United States. Running time 88 minutes. Country United States. Language English. Budget $85 million. Box office $4 million after being delayed for a 2-year period due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Minions: The Rise of Gru had its world premiere at the NSC International Animation Film Festival on June 13, 2022 and was theatrically released in the United States on July 1, 2022 by Universal Pictures. The film received positive reviews from critics, some of whom considered the film an improvement over its predecessor, with praise going to the story, soundtrack, animation, aesthetic, and the voice acting, especially Carell's. Plot: in 1976, 8 years after the events of the first film, 12-year-old Gru has allowed the Minions to work for him as their new leader. One day, Gru receives an audition invitation from the Vicious Six, a criminal organization founded by the supervillain Wild Knuckles, now led by newly appointed leader Belly Bottom following Knuckles' death, who hope to find a new member. Gru's interview goes poorly, but much to the outrage of the Vicious Six, he managed to steal a zodiac stone capable of turning anyone into one of the animals of the Chinese zodiac by Chinese New Year. After an escape with Kevin, Stuart, and Bob, Gru finds out that Otto, a large blade-bearing minion with braces, has traded the stone for a pet rock, causing him to fire the minions before going alone to find the stone. However, Wild Knuckles, who is revealed to be alive, kidnaps Gru before taking him to San Francisco. Without the stone, the minions set out to San Francisco to find him, ending up piloting a plane there. When they reach Wild Knuckles' house, they are chased by his goons until Master Chow, a former kung fu and martial arts teacher, helps them out. Chow decides to teach them after they beg for her to do so. When their teaching is complete, the minions head back to Wild Knuckles' home to try and get Gru back. Meanwhile, Otto tries to chase a biker who has the stone as a necklace. When he manages to catch up to him, the biker, who also has braces, gives the stone back to Otto and takes him to San Francisco. Gru starts to bond with Wild Knuckles after the latter's goons quiet on him. After saving Knuckles from a crocodile eating him alive, they decide to rob the Bank of Evil, managing to steal the Mona Lisa. After they get home, they see that Wild Knuckles' home has been destroyed by the Vicious Six. Thanks to the minions breaking in, Knuckles decides to give up, causing Gru to take it upon himself to stop them. At a Chinese New Year parade, Otto and Gru find each other with the stone but are cornered by the Vicious Six, who in turn are confronted by the Anti-Villain League. However, after the clock strikes midnight, the Vicious Six use to stone to turn themselves into into animals. Bottom as a dragon, Jean-Claude as a baboon, Nunchuck as a cobra, Savangians as a tiger, and Stronghold as a bull from the Zodiac, and kidnap Gru, planning to kill him as revenge. Kevin, Stuart and Bob manage to find Gru, but are turned into weak animals. Wild Knuckles returns and fights the Dragon Bottom, while the minions manage to defeat most of the 6 Knuckles is badly burnt to Ballet when trying to take the stone back, but Otto manages to save Gru, who uses the stone to turn the Vicious 6 into rats. The Vicious 6 are arrested, including Wild Knuckles, who is taken to a hospital where he succumbs to his injuries off screen. At Knuckles' funeral, Gru gives a heartfelt eulogy, but it's soon revealed that Knuckles faked his death. Later, he and Gru drive off vicariously into the sunset. In a mid-credit scene, Gru hires Dr. Nefario in gratitude for the invention of the sticky fingers that helped him steal the stone. Nefario originally declines but decides to join him after he and minions beg, showing Gru an airship that resembles the one he will use in the future. Voice cast: Steve Carell as Gru, a rising supervillain and the boss of the minions. Pierre Coffin as Kevin, Stuart, Bob, Otto, and the rest of the minions. Tara G. P. Henson as Ballet Bottom, the newly appointed leader of the Vicious 6. Mitchell Yeoh as Master Chow, a massage therapist and kung fu fighter who helps the minions on their quest. RZA as a biker with braces that Otto befriends on his way to San Francisco. Jean-Claude Van Damme as Jean-Claude, a member of the Vicious 6 with a giant mechanical lobster claw for his right arm. Lucy Lawless as Nunchuck, a member of the Vicious 6 who is a nun and wields nunchucks. Dolph Lundgren as Svengians, a member of the Vicious 6 who is a roller skater. Danny Trejo as Stronghold, a member of the Vicious 6 with big metal hands. Russell Brand as Dr. Nefario, an absent-minded scientist who runs a record store called Criminal Records and eventually becomes Gru's assistant in the future. Julie Andrews as Marlena Gru, Gru's mother. Alan Arkin as Wild Knuckles, the former leader of the Vicious 6. Additionally, Will Arnett and Steve Coogan reprised their roles as Mr. Perkins, a bank worker who will be the president of the Bank of Evil, and Silas Ramsbottom, an agent who would be the lead direct fields operator of the anti-villain league. Jimmy O. Yang, Kevin Mitchell Richardson, and John DiMaggio voiced 3 of Wild Knuckles' goons. Production development: in January 2017, Universal Pictures and Illumination announced the sequel to their animated film Minions. The film began production in July 2017 with Brad Abelson added as a co-director. In May 2019, the film's title was revealed as Minions: The Rise of Gru. Animation: production of the film shifted to remote work during the COVID-19 pandemic following the temporary closure of Illumination MacGuff release theatrical. Minions: The Rise of Gru debuted at the NSC International Animated Film Festival on June 13, 2022, followed by a premiere on June 25 at the TCL Chinese Theatre in Los Angeles. The film was originally scheduled for general release on July 3, 2020, but due to the COVID-19 pandemic and their incomplete status with Illumination MacGuff's temporary closure in response to that event, it was pushed back to July 2, 2021 and later to July 1, 2022. Home media: Minions: The Rise of Gru is scheduled to stream on NBC Universal's Peacock streaming service within 4 months of its theatrical release. As part of an 18-month deal, the film would then move to Netflix for 10 months before returning to Peacock for the last 4 months. Reception: box office. In the United States and Canada, Minions: The Rise of Gru is projected to gross $70 to $80 million from 4,400 theaters over its 4-day opening weekend. The film opened in Australia a week before its US release, debuting to $3.7 million and finishing second behind fellow newcomer Elvis. Accolades: award, Golden Trailer Awards. Date of ceremony: July 22, 2021. Category: Best Animation, Family TV Sport, Best Animation Trailer Trailer Bite for a feature film. Recipients Get Ready Inside Job, Shades Dance Inside Job. Result Nominated.